Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got my husband here with me again, and this time we've got a lot of food guys, so much food. So on this side I have tiger prawns, the large size one, and I have oysters here. Okay guys, bye. Oysters, oh yeah. So I got a dozen oysters. And I also have pangpopo here, and who asked me to do tupuai tusiupu, asked if I can do a pangpopo mukbang, so we've added that in for you, okay? And my husband, he can explain what's on his side.
Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in, and we're hoping that wherever you're watching from, that you and your loved ones and friends are well and safe. Today I'm having banana with coconut cream, and also fried lamb with carrots, snow peas, and also I'm having a bit of the leftover roux from yesterday. Roux from yesterday, and yeah, hopefully I'll have some prawns and oysters. But anyway, fingers crossed.
Yeah. Okay, we got to get our prayer done, guys, so we won't take long, okay?
Thank you, Father, for this beautiful day. Thank you for looking after us during the day and bringing us home safe. Please, Father, forgive us for the things that we do wrong. And we thank you for this food. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen.
Okay. So guys, we got to get this going because there's quite a bit of food to get through. Oh, I thought I'd make a butter sauce, right? I was supposed to go and get a sauce for the prawns, but no, we end up coming home and forgetting it. So guys, I just bunged this together, some butter. Oh, what's in here in the butter sauce? It's butter, garlic, parsley, oregano, and a bit of love. Okay guys, hey, if there's love in it, it's gonna taste We was started already. Yeah, Elvis slept. Yeah, okay guys, I'm gonna start off with oyster. What's everyone been up to anyway? I know New Zealand's still on their lockdown. Don't worry guys, it won't be that long to go, okay? Then you guys can, you know, run out and celebrate and get all your food together, and then you guys can even come and tease me what you guys had, okay? Yeah, just for you guys. Oyster. Really nice fish. Alright, I gotta get a bit of fatty. It's got coconut cream, so it's nice. Oh, somebody asked me for the address for where we get our food from. We got this stuff from Blackett. That I cooked yesterday, and then I saved him the big bowl that you saw. And saved that for my husband. These oysters are so lovely. Need a bit more lemon. So nice. These are the Tasmania oysters. Yeah, I only buy local seafood or from New Zealand.
Tasty. The lamb.
Because I made it. Yeah.
Well cooked too. Like the snow peas.
These prawns are massive. Bye. Look, look. I hope you guys got some food. There's a fish shop in St. Mary's, guys. That's where I went and got the prawns and the oysters. Mm. 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 They're nice and chewy. Mm. Hey, that one didn't want to come to you. Naughty. There we go. They're massive. Hey.
Must be farm time. Farm prawn.
I have no idea. All I know is they're nice to eat.
Today we went and see one of our daughters. We haven't seen her for a while. Well, I haven't seen her for a while.
2 weeks.
Was it?
Yep.
Okay. It's good to catch up with her. She's trying to be a hairdresser. And how long's she been doing now? 3 years?
This is her fourth year.
4th year? So, yeah.
This is so good, man. It's good. Massive.
Nice.
I am.
I'll try.
We got so much food today, guys. Here's prawns. Hey, from Tasmania. Far out, man. Imagine what the crayfish looks like. These are big oysters. Big. And they're from Australia. Okay? Not from anywhere else. You know? Yeah, so they're saying, you know, like they're allowing like the children to go to school soon. And I don't know if it's safe to do so. I mean, I told my kids, "You're not going to school." And then Chalora, what did Chalora say today in the car? The kids are going crazy at home. Whoa! This is the parsley, you know, the thing they're hanging. Nice prawn, eh? It could be in your sauce. Now, the butter sauce tastes like buttery. The fatty. Dad, you want some oysters?
Yeah.
Mate, you better help yourself because I'm not going around it no more. Hey, sit over there. Faye, ka mai I ro rima. I was going for a walk the other day. Funky here. Yeah. And I met up with a man who introduced himself as Ese. And he was telling me that him and his wife watch my videos. So hello Ese, if you're watching this video. Nice to meet you. You're a friendly person. Because you know how you approached me and said hello. And to let me know that you and your wife watch my channel. Thank you so much. It's always nice to know, you know, no, that one. Yeah, there's viewers that are friendly out there. Thank you very much. I mean, I was shocked. I was surprised because I didn't expect that. I was just walking up the road. I had to go and see my brother. Early in the morning, he was getting a plumber over. Yep, so I knew I had to be there. And just to hear the plumber out. Oh, hey. Yeah, you know, sometimes you gotta hear their job, what they're gonna do. So my brother, he's a softy type, you see. And I don't want them to take my brother for granted, you know. And try and rip him off. So, even though my brother said no, he'll deal with it, I knew I just had to be there, you know. It's always good to have a second pair of ears, just in case he didn't pick up something, and I did. Because that's what we do, eh? What he doesn't hear, I hear. Because you know what I hear? With my ears fake a color. Oh, I'm not shy.
And I do miss a lot of things. So she picks it up. So it helps.
Because I'm fake a color. Hey, I have some oysters left. Cut my lousy. I have some cake and water. Cheers, guys. I'm so blessed to have this food.
Nice big prawns.
They're so big. I thought I couldn't even crack the shell with my teeth. Not that I have strong teeth. Aye, not bad. Yeah. These days, when I bite food, I think, oh, be careful, Faye. You're gonna lose some teeth because the food's a bit hard. And the dentist can get pretty expensive. Wow, look at that. Gee, the size of a crayfish. If you want me, Mickey, I'm gonna air this out. That's nice and salty. You'll get some that's like a bit watery. That's probably from the ice, but this one's nice and got a hint of salt. I am Olivia prawn expert. You're looking at it. I am. Yeah, my husband just got his car back this week. Yesterday I done it. He been in there for like 3 days. Cause what kind of a car do you have? I don't know.
A bomb.
Yeah, a bomb of a car. You know, like that boy said in Once We're Warriors. And a shell of a car, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so we got it back, and now we can ride around. Because you can go and get food, but you can't go to hang out and have a party or anything. No. Yeah.
Oh.
Don't drop it in your mouth, darling, because there might be some sand or the bit of the shell. I did that before. I went to tip it in my mouth, and as I was chewing, my tooth nearly broke. Man. Prawns. Oh yeah, I went and got me some pork bones today. Yeah, but when we went there was a queue, you know, outside the Kai drop. And guys, they were selling, box of feijoas. Don't even want to tell you guys in case you all try and get some and then I go there and miss out. So anyway, the sad thing about it, right? When I see them advertising it on their page, because they have the Kai Drop Facebook page, so they'll put up what they're selling, guys. And I'm telling you, when I saw those feijoas the second time, I didn't have a car to run and get some. So they sell it really quick. So it's first in, first serve. I'm not going to buy me a box. It's $40 for the box. Dog. Fussy. Oh. Yeah, it's so fat. You know what? Wow. I like them a bit, and they're not really long. They're just cute little sizes. When I was a teenager, I used to love boiling the green banana that's got a bit of hint of sweetness. I know. I'll grab some bananas off my dad's bunch of bananas, and I'll hide it in the cupboard till about 4 days later, and then I'll boil it. Tastes lovely. I don't know if you guys like that, but I do. Oyster, Daddy.
Oh yeah, oyster.
You go for the oysters. Eat all the oysters.
Ooh.
Oh no. Save 3 for Chihuahua.
Man, that kid was complaining.
Yeah. Save some for Chihuahua then. We're gonna save 3 oysters for Chihuahua. Because that girl, she can eat a whole dozen or more. Don't know if I told you the story. Oh yes I did, about 2 times. But I'll tell it again, guys. I bought some oysters, There was 2 dozen oysters. No kidding. And I went and put it in the fridge for, later on when things calmed down. Her father and we're going to share it. Anyway, as it got a bit into the evening, I said to Chilo, can you go and get the oysters and we'll start eating them? And she goes, are you talking about the one in the fridge in the garage? I go, yeah, can you go and get them? She goes in the garage and comes back. And I go, did you get them? She goes, and I go, where is it? And then I had this feeling she ate them. So I said, did you eat the oysters? She went, and I said, what come get the other one? And I go, why not? I ate them all. 2 dozen oysters, this girl. And she was talking about, I think, 8. This girl. She's like her older sister, me. Our oldest daughter, she loves seafood. I don't know. So guys, we had to push the food aside because we were eating, and this camera just wanted to die. So now it's time to dig into the bang popo. So nice. It looks so good. Look, guys. Why? Oh, a lot of love there. So I'm taking out what I want. I think I can eat 3. Hey, stop it. Who's saying okay, free lassi mea? Yeah. Then gotta get the sua. cute little bungies too. And it's nice to eat the bottom part of it first.
I think I'll have two. And then if I want another one, then I might have another two.
Look at that, guys. Yeah, just a bite for you guys.
Nice.
The bread is nice too, the bun. It's good, it's not overly sweet. Sometimes when something is overly sweet, after a while it gets a bit too sweet. Like I said, if you're already sweet, you don't need all the sweet. But this is done really nice. Obviously it was made today. We bought this from Blacker, okay? Once again, I didn't get the address, but it's in Blacker. What's the street where that school is, where the Blacker is?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know too. Sorry guys. I'll definitely try and get the address, and then I'll let you guys know. But there's only one petrol station in Blacker. That's one of them. Okay, if you look it up on Google search, there's one, but next door there's a little like shop there, and that's the second where we got this bang pupu and the banana with coconut cream.
It's nice, eh? Spongy.
Yeah.
Fluffy, yeah.
That's so sweet. Just the way I like it. Yeah, so I remembered Tupua said to do a bang pupu mukbang. So when I was there buying the bananas, I saw how lovely these look, and I thought, yes, I better do it. Better add it in. Wow, yeah.
What's the best thing to go with this?
Water.
As it is?
I don't know. Well, you don't eat it with ice cream. But I guess if you want to, you can. But it's got its own sewer. So nice. So whoever made these at Blacker, 2 thumbs up, but the other thumb is holding the bang pupu. What if I made for 8 as well?
Yeah.
That's your second one. Your third one.
My third one.
Yeah, that's how you know it's nice.
That is nice.
See, it's so handy when you got island shops around, eh? Then you don't have to go through trouble. You just go there, buy it, bring it home, eat it all up. Yeah, sure. Delicious. It's a beautiful day here in Sydney today. Beautiful. And I don't have any washing. You know why? Because I did it throughout the week.
And we ran out of soap powder.
Yeah, but we went and got some.
We're going to get some more.
We always buy bucket. There's a place where I buy the bucket from. I can't remember how much it is. About, okay, I can't tell you how much, because I can't remember right now. So I don't want to tell you guys a lie. But this is this little place in Sally, you're not feeling more. We may live for the mukbang. Yeah, we may live for the mukbang. Rude. Rude. I was thinking about how it's heading to June, So after April, May and June, we were supposed to be going to Raro in June. And then we were meant to go to Oysters. Yeah, but we had to cancel. Oh, sad. Hey, I was only following him because he said he was going to have 2 and he ends up having 3.
Anyway, it's good to catch up with family and friends back in the Cook Islands. I got a nephew and a niece over there. So it'll be nice to catch up. And my cousin in Oysters.
Yeah. His brother's kids, 2 of them, they're in Raro, Nathan and Charlie. Yeah, so it's always good. But we see Charlie first day every time we're there. Then we take it to our... we went to Ki'i last time. I like Ki'i. Ki'i. It was really good. You know, well, my favourite part about it was that I could go in the back door and feed the chickens. Because the chickens they come from the neighbouring houses. So I love going there because we buy a packet of bread that'll last us for like the week we're going to stay there, or the 2 weeks. And then, so anything that we know we're not going to eat, I'll go outside and I enjoy just standing there, watching all the big chickens come with their little chicken, their chooks. And then the roosters come and try and be a bully, and then I chuck a bread at it to chase it away, but no, he doesn't listen, and then they... Oh, but it's so nice. That was my favourite part, being in Ki'i. Then they have Fijian workers there, you know, cleaners. It's good. I love being in Rarotonga and Cook Island. I love being in Cook Island. Look at I say Rarotonga and Cook Island. He was saying that me and him should go and visit, what's those other outer islands studying?
Yeah, like Atiu, Mangaya, and that. That'd be nice.
That would be nice, eh? Yeah. How long does it take to go there, though?
Oh, same. About 45 minutes flight.
Are you sure? Well, say we should go and visit there. Isn't it a minimum stay like 3 days?
Oh, you can go there and come back at night time.
Oh.
You can fly in the morning. They have a day tour. Yeah, they have a day tour there.
Everywhere. I know in Oysters, but I don't know about those little places.
I'm sure
We can organise it, eh?
Yeah, they can organise a day trip.
Because there's a concierge, what is it?
Yeah.
What's that girl?
Concierge in town.
In town in Rarotonga. She can organise stuff like that. She looks it up and that. Have you gone over? Didn't that time you and Sharon and them go went to see her? No? Oh, I want to go and see her. I just want her to explain bits and pieces because, man, if we could go there for a day trip to... I would like to go to Mangaya. Hey. Yeah. I don't know. Growing up, I always hear Mangaya. Other than Rarotonga and Oysters, I hear Mangaya. So I wouldn't mind to go and visit Mangaya. That would be nice. And then Atiu, eh? Yeah. Aren't they the ones that make the nice curry?
Yeah.
The goat curry?
Yeah, in the Cook Islands, the goat curry. Is it goat curry? Curry goat. Or whatever. Yeah. The best curry coat always come from Atiu. For the people from Atiu, when they make curry coat, it's the best. They just have that touch. It's really nice. And if you're lucky enough to be in the Cook Island one time and you come across that curry, you will know what I'm talking about. It's just so nice. Yeah. We
went to a rugby over here and they were selling that curry and he brought it home. But had he known it was that nice, he would have bought more.
Yeah,
hey.
Bought the whole pot.
And he's never stopped talking about it.
Yeah.
Talks about it also.
Nice.
So, if there's some archers watching this, drop down the recipe so my husband can start talking about it. I was thinking it's probably goat, water, coconut cream, and some love and onions. I don't know. I tried making it for him. It wasn't a goat, it was like lamb. But no, he's still chucked us up, and he's one of the Achu.
Yeah, I still make it, but it's not as good as a person from Achu making it. It's not as good, but I still make it because I like goat curry, and so is my daughter. From time to time, she'll ask me, "Oh, Dad, when are you making the curry?" So when she brings it up, I run because we got a
Sorry.
we got a butcher down the road here that they sell goat meat. So I go and buy 1.5 kilos for me and my daughter, or whoever wants to eat it. But it's mainly me and my daughter. She loves curry.
Talk about your Laura.
Geneva.
Geneva!
Yes.
My dinito! That's the one when she got lost one time when we were at the shopping centre. The security called in looking for a lost child. But he didn't say Islander or whatever. But the radio came back and we heard we heard them say that there was an Asian child in there. And we said, yeah, that's our child. Because she got ching ching eyes. Yeah. I've got 2 children that's really chingy. One is a boy and Geneva. Geneva's not as, but...
Yeah. See what happened is I walked with Geneva to the car, but she turned around and walked back in the shopping center. And I didn't know. When I got to the car, I turned around, she's gone. So I rushed back in the shopping center and I met up a security, so I asked him. And then he got on the mic and called the management. And they say, oh, is there an island girl there? An island girl. She was what, 5 then? 6? 5?
No, my poor daughter.
3.
She was about 3.
Yeah, 3.
And they were going to the car. And my last word I said to him, take care of my daughter. And then I went to pay the mortgage. Because it's upstairs. Because it's 3 levels. And I come out. He's standing with the security guard. And my baby's lost. Oh, just wanted to get my... No.
So how the security said to the management offices, is there an island girl there? The reply came back was, no, it's only an Asian girl. And then
we both said...
straight away we said that's the one. And the security look at us, we're both islanders, and we're after a Chinese daughter. It was funny. Yeah. And sure enough, when we went to the management office, and there she was. Yeah.
Yeah, this little Chinese sitting there, for fried rice, little girl. Oh, I was worried. He had one job, one.
I was worried too. I love my kids, and to see any harm come to them, it just breaks me.
Yeah. Yes, that's why you should have been holding her hand. Okay. Anyway, I've forgiven her.
And that was our last baby too. She was 3. Yeah.
How do you know? No, sorry, Jake. Sorry, Jakes. We had too many kids. And you know what? God was loving. God is loving. And He gave us all our children, all healthy, They don't all have ears, guys. Some of their hearing aids, like turned down. So they had these selective hearings when we talk to them. But they all got, like kind hearts, which is good. Hey, darling. So long as they do good, be good to others and be loving and respectful to one another. As long as, that's one thing that I think parents want to see, is that their children get along and, and do well, just do well. And don't hurt other people, just do well. And then always remind them they have to give thanks, to God who blesses us with so much in our lives and our life altogether. I always say that.
Yeah, and I like too that if they go to the shop, You always, if they come past us and we're sitting down in the sitting room or in the kitchen, oh, Mom, do you want anything from the shop? Oh, Dad, you know, it feels good that, you know.
And most times, he'll always say, oh, yes. I say no. Even though deep down I think, oh, I do want something, but I don't want to be in their way. I don't want to be a burden to my children. So I always say, it's all right, son, go. It's all right. No, it's all right. And they know that I do that. But this one, always, yes, get me. Yeah. So I pinch him and I go, stop it. Leave them. Leave them. See, one time you just let them go past, even if they, and he says, oh, they offered.
Yeah, no.
But doesn't always have to take
bread,
it. Yes.
We might be short on bread. I just remind them.
We got heaps of bread.
Get some bread or get a milk. Things like that.
Yeah. But anyway, it's good when kids, you know, they consider their parents. That is so good. To me, that's really, even as just to ask is really touching to me. It's like, oh, you know, it's really nice to see. Because I want my children, because I told my children, you guys see how I take care of my parents? That's how you guys should take care of me and your dad. You know, when I talk to them individually or together, depends, because my kids are sort of scattered. And yeah, how I take care of their grandma now, that's how they should, you know, look upon taking care of me and their dad. Otherwise, he's going to pull off his fuspa'o and fussy them. Hey, darling?
For sure.
Oh, well, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. This guy was a bit MIA with it. Yap. I think he done too much yapping in the car. And then he gets here. Yeah, well, I said, yap.
Sorry, I had a late night last night. Yeah. But it's nice for you to join us. Hopefully that everybody's safe. That's the main thing. Yeah. For sure. Thank you, guys. You always leave like really supportive, uplifting comments. This guy loves it when I read him the comments that you guys drop down for, and it mentions him. Gets his little frills. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love it too. I think, oh, my darling, get some nice comments, you know. And you just hear him smile. Oh, well, thank you guys for hanging out with us. Stay blessed. Always give thanks. Be good to one another, guys. You know, we already got enough la pisi out there in the world. You know, the best thing we can do is be good to one another. So you better be good to me, guy. Nay? Okay. Well, we're going to say goodbye. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah, ka kite from me.
Yeah, fa soi fua. Fa soi fua. God bless. God bless you all. Fa? Yeah. Your turn to tidy up. You watch when the camera goes off, he's going to get up and go with one plate. He tari, ya alula oe maipu ya. And then, see, we even have to negotiate who's going to take place. Still not fair. Yeah, whoa. Oh, are you guys watching? Take a picture.